So they call them producer extra or the producer
man.
when not come up for this world. I know they talk the very well. Well, welcome to tonight's show for today. My name is Nanedu _ today is Friday, and Pastor Iheanyi, aka PI, aka Man of God, aka don't sit down to make sure say everything when they say concern relationship matter of today. We'll go check eye inside them. 2 episodes ago we start friend zone. Girls where they put the guys for friend zone, guys where they put girls for friend zone. And most of the time, they don't take all the phone calls when they say they come in. But today, we don't decide, say, okay, from today, from the beginning of the show, we'll begin to take phone calls of everybody when they say, get questions to ask, either on top of the friend zone or on top of the relationship matter. But before we do that one, officially, we welcome Pastor Iheanyi, aka PI. Until the show comes out.
How you doing? Nice one. Nice.
Now, today, not only me and Pastor Iheanyi today, easy bit not day, Katim not day. Katim get a pull. Easy bit today for a pair.
You go queue for fuel.
You go queue for fuel. You go queue for fuel. But we've got small chicken in for you to come back. Pastor, you go continue for when he stopped last week on top friend zone, and then we go begin taking our phone calls immediately on top of the show. When they come back, still on top of the night show, not go anywhere. We are coming back. Welcome back on top of the night show. My name is Nanedu _ me and Pastor Iheanyi. You don't sit down on top studio to make sure say everything when they say concern relationship matter today. We'll go check eye for inside them. I will hand over to Pastor Iheanyi. Meanwhile, our phone numbers go down on top of TV now, and we're gonna begin the call to ask any question when they say you get on top of relationship matter. Pastor Iheanyi will continue round up.
We could just
you know, summarize the friend zone matter. Something. Then we'll go begin taking our phone calls. Our phone calls go down on TV now. We're gonna begin call. Over to you, Pastor.
All right. So for the past 2 weeks, we've done a talk friend zone and how this thing affect people for mind. So as we round them up, if you did friend zone, last week people don't marry, call self. So we'll not even discuss that one. But we could just use this opportunity to discuss that one. If you don't marry, it's still possible where if you enter friend zone.
With your husband?
With somebody. Not the woman we call, we say,
yes.
They get one young man, we just the area.
For a compound, for a yard.
For her yard. You know, but we don't tell them, Madam, carry your slippers for leg, run. You no need. Now your husband's supposed to be your best friend. Now he's supposed to be your confidant. Now he's supposed to be the person you're supposed to talk to. So if you don't marry and those friend zone things, they happen. You know, sometimes it happen where you could just like one person where they talk very intelligently for office. And when you reach out, you're not going to talk to your spouse again.
Exactly, because everything now don't come be like us. And only that guy,
yes, they understand how you dey. So you could run, go walk. You don't even know why they run, go walk. If they ain't much with your spouse, you could irritate you. Say you're not even intelligent. You don't even think.
Even maybe when your husband they gist, your husband will talk something. Say like Samuel said.
And before you know, I'm going to say, wait, who is this Samuel that you're always comparing me with? Once you don't read that on friends zone on the entire. So to round this thing up, we don't need all that kind of drama for our lives. When your friendship don't they enter intimacy and there's still no clear definition, my brother, my sister, pack your bag, take your life back. When they ask what did happen about, we're not quarreling. Say no, we're not fighting. That's why I'm taking back my life. Because if I remain here too long, it will become fight. So to round up that friend zone thing, help yourself, they come out for all these things. But like when they talk for relationship, 90% of relationship now communication. Once people know the fit talk, you know, in the times where we don't use clothing, the way we stand, the way we laugh, the way we dress, the way we smell, cover plenty things. So people go see two people who don't be friends for 6 months, they don't know anything about each other. Literally don't know anything about each other. Especially when they date. You say, this guy is my boyfriend. What does he do? Say, I don't know, but he comes around every day. How don't you know? How do you know they talk rich? What they do? How do you know they talk rich? Making ask you. Where your sisters, today everybody just done their own. And communication, maybe that the next one we'll go discuss, communication are very important parts. And we don't talk, say they get 2 dimensions of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication. But as we round up this friend zone thing, please, the thing we're trying to tell everybody be say, help yourself, deliver yourself from all these emotional ties, because those things, they feel clog your own space. Even the person you're supposed to give attention, because you don't enter friend zone with somebody else, they had to even move out. You never notice where two people be friends, and nobody they come ask the girl out because they say that this boy.
Exactly.
They say that this boy they date him, and you go block everybody. People go just they come to greet you now. Oh, how is your boyfriend? She said, which boyfriend? He said, oh, that's why I've not come nearer you all these years. Because we thought he was your boyfriend. The same thing with the girl. So when those things happen like that, please define everything. Open your mouth, they talk loud.
I get one of my friends waiting on top Snapchat. At the view in Snapchat today. I can't see I'm lying on top because one guy lie down, he no wear shirt. She can't lie down on top the guy. Belle. The guy they do what thing they do. Let's say the guy they ping they do for phone.
Yeah.
She too can't they do what she they do for phone. Now I can't tell her say you they enjoy you. This is your boyfriend. He said no, it's my brother from another mother. I said my sister, how many people you want? How many people?
How many siblings?
How many brother from another mother? No, you understand? Now how many people you want tell now? Say this one your brother from another mother. Now if it be say one guy we don't the eye you we want to
don't discharge. Don't
no.
Say
because what thing will make you lie down from best guy we no wear shirt
raw belly. And then or even ladies wear like go just free.
They go free the guy because they go to say no, yeah, this one they
because I have some people they just date for years they no go know. Two of them no date and nobody date him, nobody date her. And two of them go just date because you don't say everybody don't assume. Say, you supposed to date this boy. They're 4, 5, and 6. So, Kukuma marry your 6, you marry your 5. But everybody just look now. And 12 that say no date. Now, if they block door for another person to enter, you no green enter, if they block door. So, most people sometimes, they even stop them from even finding true happiness. Eventually, when the person won't marry, then you will come the vex.
And the annoying part be say, the guy and the girl with the relationship, the girl go they pray for husband. The boys
go pray for wife. Meanwhile, now they block each other door. And now they pray.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, Tia, how you doing?
I'm just fine.
Which question you get to ask today?
I'm the first time caller.
Oh, you want me to greet you? Hold on.
Take she.
Are you happy now?
Yes, so educate me.
I the mom I pass out one.
I just fine. I don't call your line, say no they go.
Wait, you be Nadia? We be Igbo?
I be Gala. They see where you tackle Igala all the time.
Make a sing Igala song for you. Make a singer for you. Ma sing one Igala song for you.
Oh, I sing Igala song. I will sing Igbo song for you.
Ebili Timoto Tejona Yatene Kamone Kiato Ene Tuki.
Selunu kan so kwalo Igbo. Edu?
Anumano.
Ima na onye nwere ego na onye dị mma kangamo nava egwu.
Okay.
Madam, this one a masquerade song.
Edu Brazil.
All right, now ask us your question.
I want to make you help me tell Pastor. Get advice. I want me give girls. Most girls for Lagos, or apart from Lagos, for town, they go see man. Born 3 children for, and they never ask the man which village he's from. They go to Lagos or other place they marry. Let me advise them. Once you see my way won't marry, follow and go in village. May you know whether the parents of the boy will accept the marriage or your own parents will accept. They go to Lagos, they marry. They don't go reach village until when something happen. Then they can't enter again.
You know they right. You know they right at all.
So now my advice, I make you help me advise any girl will see you husband we won't marry. Even though time they go, time no they go. Make you follow the boy, go in village. Go see people. I make the boy say follow her, go her own village. Go know her people that the two families go agree before you begin born for. You go see get born 3, 4 children for man. You know
get anybody where you know where this thing now happen to because you talk like it say it's in the vex you.
Yes,
it vex me. They see many girls. Some girls who say they don't want to know. As I said the boy don't really say you go marry them. They don't want to know where the boy from. Whether the parents of the boy or whether the family agree, no consign them. I don't know somebody where they say girl don't hook us me them marry. The boy tell us people don't agree. Say that one no cause after I say love they between their two. So now Lagos you go end. Should be at the end they go village now.
Oh yeah, no wala Hajia, thank you.
Thank you.
One good night. Hello, good evening. Who's on the line?
Hello.
Clement.
Yes, Gudu.
How is you?
I did fine. How yourself? First time caller.
Hey. Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy now.
Ask your question.
And they do what I want to tell you, They get one of my friends, my female friend, and my classmate for my state.
Okay.
When I travel for December time, I can't see the girl. We will call and exchange number. When we exchange number, before we know, we can't begin to talk for phone. And me and the girl call the talk. Before you know, the friendship called the day close. You can't forget the boyfriend.
She can't forget her boyfriend.
You can't forget her boyfriend because they concentrate for me. No one they give the boyfriend face like at all.
So what you can't do?
Now don't fall in love with me.
So what you don't do now?
I like the girl right from the beginning. You have to continue with the fan. The girl don't forget about your boyfriend now.
You get girlfriend, Abi, you don't marry.
I never married.
You get girlfriend?
I get girlfriend, but me and the girlfriend we don't separate.
Oh, so now use that friend zone, take end on relationships.
Exactly.
My brother.
So what is your question now?
Make I hear the question where you get.
What is your question now?
My question now be say, that friend zone I discussed so far, na very nice something. Na nice something. But the only way to just do is if you just do anything, you go fall into trap.
Gene.
Okay, they interpret this friend zone.
You don't talk finish?
Yes.
But wait, what is concern your own story and this friend zone now? Who friend?
The friend. Okay, what is concern me with the friend zone be say, what do they try to talk now that this friend zone be say? Because if you be able where you dey work, one thing about life and attention.
Okay.
Somebody who just they give attention, I be the best thing.
You could just begin draw you, yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because most of women like person who gets with mouth and pets. All those now which woman want with that.
My brother, like say we go give you microphone one day.
May you come stand. If we go invite you come to the show one day, may you come talk. No, Allah, thank you very much, Clement.
All right, Clement.
Over to you, Pastor.
Yeah, so what did he talk there make a lot of sense.
What did Hajia talk to?
Yeah, what did he talk that be say attention. Once that thing done, they take your attention past normal, it go begin affect you psychologically and your relationship go dey trouble.
It get something where you talk. It's in a person when you say they give you attention, automatically you go they see yourself they draw
towards the person.
Towards that person. Now, if person they give you attention where you don't draw yourself to the person, what you come?
Yeah, now because it depends on you. For instance, if you don't marry and person they give you that kind of attention, it's healthy. It don't make sense.
Hello, Andrew.
It'll be every.
Hello, okay, do Alpha.
My brother, there. How is you?
Fine, no. This is first time call
What take it? Ask your question.
Hey, do Alpha.
I do.
When you, if you like girl now, the girl no too much like you, and you come the force and their parents like you want to marry the girl, how the thing they do because the get some girls where you go like, because the girl no go like you, but their parents go like you, make you marry their daughter.
Okay, so how the parents begin like you? How the parents begin like the boy?
No, the parents just like because we are.
How the parents begin? No, how the parents begin take like him? How we begin talk with them when they can't begin they like him? How the boy reach the parents begin? When the parents begin like him?
Yeah, the parents like her because they did the same church.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you now bro for church, bro. You be bro Andrew for church, Abi?
Yes.
Oh,
all
no.
right.
I know say now you happen. No worry, I'm going to drop. Pastor, go answer your question now.
Okay. I'll go answer you. Hang up. No, it's okay. It's okay. No answer. They talk. I will go hang up. So when it happen like that, if both of you, if you're interested in her, but she's not interested in you, nobody the parents be the final bus stop. Now you need to still.
Andrew, if you drop the call, so that pastor go just drop.
Yeah.
Don't worry, drop. They go answer you.
Okay.
The real issue no be because her parents don't talk. If they're good, say the parents don't agree. But nobody the parents they marry.
Of course.
Nobody parents go follow you when everybody dancing for reception go.
Now you and the
when
girl
we
go
lock
house.
down, now you and her. So even if you don't warm up to the parents, make sure say you they walk towards warming up to her. Maybe we go talk one of these days. We go teach communication techniques or relationship questions that people should be asking themselves. Things that would help you know the person better, or once you understand the person's love language, it's very easy to
enter yourself.
Yes, in a way where you go fit give value to the person. You know, people, they grow in love. So if they're good, sometimes people don't meet people when they don't love them from the beginning. But as time they go,
they love them.
Consistency, write this one down, you go bless you. Consistency, now the mother of skill. Anything where you did consistent at, you go there skillful at.
Okay.
So if you make somebody your focus of attention and they try walk towards them,
you go make things better.
You go make things a lot better for you.
Okay, we'll go back small checking the break for you. When we come back, we'll continue to take on our phone calls on top things when we discuss today for friend zone and other relationship issues when you get questions to ask on top. When they come back, still on top the night show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.